I'm Mwaka and I'm 16 and I'm studying at the UTC. I started when I was in year 10 and now I'm in year 12 studying level 3 principal learning, physics and product design. At the UTC I've been able to work with several employers including Horton Design and ZF Lemforda. For ZF Lemforda we had to create using CNC machine an Aston Martin ball joint part. And this was in part of a team. During the teamwork, I was product design, and we had to design the product ourselves and talk and work in a team. And for Horton Design as well, we had to create a hanging basket bracket, which was something new, and this was like the very first product that we had to do. And we had to present this in front of Horton Design. And at the UTC, we have a thing where you integrate the different lessons. So for engineering, we had to do the presentation, which counted as our English language speaking and presenting marks, which I was able to get an A star in. And at the moment, I'm looking to do renewable energy work. And I think that will be really good to help the environment through engineering, especially building wind turbines. And working with like ZF Lemforda, Symmonds and Horton Design has given me a chance to work with different people from all walks of life and be able to understand how the engineering work works. And as a woman, it's a bit different, but I think I'll be able to achieve my goals and be able to do what I want to do in the near future. And that's about it.
Yo guys, I'm Joe Symmonds and I'm a former member of the Black Country UTC. Originally, I was just going to do sixth form, you know, the standard route, do my A-levels and hopefully do university. However, I wanted to do something more specific with my learning. So, doing further research to the colleges and schools that are in my area, I found the Black Country UTC. The main thing that attracted me to the UTC was the specific qualification of engineering. You know, I wanted to actually go into industry and do something specific and get a specific career path. The best thing about the engineering qualification though is that each of the modules are sponsored by an actual employer. So learning like how to produce a production plan from Symmonds, learning about material testing from Chamberlain PLC and doing routine maintenance checkups with Finnings Caterpillar. With this engineering qualification, I also studied my maths and physics A level, as I feel that was a practically bread and butter when it comes to engineering. Another great thing about the Black Country UTC is the enrichment activities. I was one of the key members in the Young Enterprise team that got to the national finals in London. We beat over 3,000 teams by reusing vinyl records and producing clock designs to sell to market. We had to pitch these designs to market leaders. We sold for profit and we did very, very well. Another key thing that the Black Country UTC did for me was I was at the skill show competition this time last year and competing in mechatronics. So I was learning all about PLCs, how to debug the software and basically just setting up the equipment. So that was like a major thing that helped me. So when it came to my interview for Jaguar Land Rover, it was amazing just to say all these specific things that industry leaders know. And then they were so impressed, and I just felt so great after that interview. And within a week, I got a phone call saying, Joe, do you want to do the higher apprenticeship with Jaguar Land Rover? And I was like, of course I will. So yeah, that's what I'm now doing. I'm on a 6-year apprenticeship with Jaguar Land Rover. My job title is a control maintenance engineer, so I'll be working on the PLCs, which I actually learned here. So I'll be applying that knowledge into actual industry. This 6 years, I'll get my NVQ level 3 and 4, and I'm getting an electrical honours degree at Warwick University. So all these aspects that the UTC has provided me, the qualifications, the enrichment activities, has aided me to progress my career, and I'm very thankful for what they've provided me. So yeah, thank you for listening. I've been Joe Symmonds, and I'll lead you on to Tim from ZF Lemforda. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, my name's Tim Kibble. I'm site manager for ZF Lemforder in Darlaston in the West Midlands. And 3 years ago, we won a lot of new business from Jaguar Land Rover, but we couldn't recruit young engineers. We really struggled to get them into the factory. And then Gordon from the UTC turned up and says, I've got a solution for you folks. And we then supported helping with a curriculum and providing tooling, materials, and some of our engineers to help with the courses. And since then, we've now got 6 apprentices in the factory, some of them from the UTC, and some are from Warsaw College. And we don't have any problems recruiting anymore. Sorry. We're a German-based business, and we've doubled the size in the last 12 months. The sales have gone from 50 million to 100 million, and we've invested 26 million pounds in new machining centres. Now, they're a lot more complex than our old equipment. So we've got 5-axis machining centres now, whereas 10 years ago, we'd got simple lathes. So the skills required in our factories in the West Midlands to supply Jaguar Land Rover have really stepped up a level. So the UTC prepares those students with hands-on training on machining centres, assembly equipment, and PLC controls. So when they arrive in our factory, they're 16 or 17, 18. They've had 2 or 3 years already learning the basic skills in engineering. And we find that these young people are really ready for the engineering environment. Whereas schools previously, we were having to do a lot of preparation training with the children and students to get them to a decent level at the start. But the UTC experience has been very good for us. We're also helping with sponsoring the Green Car Challenge. We've helped interview the principal with our HR officer. And it's helped us strategically develop ZF further in the Midlands, and we're expanding into new businesses all the time. Has anybody got any questions? Okay.